Biofuels are fuels produced from biomass. Biomass is plant or animal-based feedstock. Examples of biomass consist of corn, sugarcane, and even manure. Biofuels can be used to fuel vehicles or provide alternative sources of electricity. As shown in the cycle, energy from the sun is stored in biomass. The biomass is harvested to produce ethanol, biodiesel, and other forms of biofuel.
Biofuels can help lower pollution. Ethanol reduces greenhouse gas emissions up to 65%, and biodiesel releases fewer toxins when compared to conventional fossil fuels. They're sustainable and renewable, biofuels made from plants, crops, and other byproducts, and can be renewed and replenished easily, unlike fossil fuels. Biofuels, especially biodiesel, can be cost-efficient and provide better fuel economy when compared to gasoline. When produced locally, biofuels can reduce dependence on oil imports, stimulating the local economy. But biofuel does have its drawbacks. They have a low energy density when compared to traditional fuels, therefore they require greater quantities to produce the same level of energy. While biofuels may be cleaner to burn, the process to produce the fuel, including the machinery necessary to harvest the biomass, can have high levels of carbon emission. And turning crops like corn into biofuel can lead to food shortage and increased food prices, affecting the neediest of the population.
Currently, there are a few issues that are stopping biofuels from becoming our main source of energy. The first issue is that the primary crop used to make ethanol is corn. Because of this, less corn is available to be used as food, which increases food prices. The second issue is that the carbon emissions caused by the process to convert corn into a form that replaces fossil fuels is almost the same as if you were just used the fossil fuels to begin with. A potential solution is to use cellulose instead of corn. Cellulose can be obtained from non-food crops such as grasses and trees. Biofuels produced from cellulose also have lower carbon emissions than those produced from corn. Another solution is to use microbes. Scientists can force microbes to produce proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that can then be used to produce biofuels.